Welcome back everyone. Today's video we're going to configure both IP version 6 and IP version 4 with EIGRP methods. As you can see in this topology we have two PCs, one of them in the outside this area, but here we have a 3 router and 3 switches. In other side we have another PC. So let's start by configure EIGRP for IP version 4. We're using number on all router. First we go into EIGRP router configuration mode by typing router EIGRP1. Then we advertise the directly connected subnet using the network command, and here's how we configure R1. As you can see, I assign an IP and the second address is the wildcard. It's completely different to MAC address, and someday I explain it completely in a short video. Don't worry. After I configure R1, I do this in the R2 and R3. And let's verify from PC1 to make sure everything configured correctly. I want to ping PC3. Yes, perfect. And 16.20 for PC2. Yes. Perfect. Now we want to configure passive interface. This stop EIGRP updates from being sent on a LAN interface. I type passive interface gig 00 and I repeat this command to all router. Then I also disable automatic summarization. This is especially important in this contiguous network, so EIGRP advertise specific routes instead of summarize. Now let's move on to the EIGRP for IP version 6, which is a little different. First, we want to enable IP version 6 routing with IP version 6 unicast routing. Next, we want to enable the EIGRP process using AS number 1. This step includes two important parts. IP version router EIGRP1 and then immediately using no shutdown. Without the no shutdown command, the EIGRP process for IP version 6 remains inactive. After we completely all command and establish IP version 6, router EIGRP1, no shutdown. Then we need to manually assign a router ID which is required for IP version 6 EIGRP. I type EIGRP router ID 1111. We repeat this for R2 and R3 with their own unicast router IDs. Next, we enable EIGRP on each interface directly, since IP version 6 EIGRP is interface-based. Interface gig 00, IP version 6 EIGRP1. Do this for all active interface on all three routers. Once done, we again save configure, and now we want to verify EIGRP. We do show EIGRP version 6 show IP version 6 EIGRP neighbors, show IP version 6 route, and bingo, everything is connected and we have a completely perfect routing. And that's it. You've now configured and verified EIGRP for both IP version 6 and 4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your question in your comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.